Hello fellas, I have the Makita Impact. It's a DTD152 I think, and sometimes this holder is stuck and it's rusty, so I will deassemble it and try to clean it. Okay, we'll try to put a screwdriver here and okay. Yeah, now we can see that we have the spring ring, the washer, the spring itself, the sleeve, and of course we have the balls here. One goes here, and the second one goes here. Got them out. Okay, just now turning it on and cleaning with the brush. So that battery is really not good. Trying to put the brush inside here. Now cleaning the anvil. It looks a little bit better. Of course, now the flat washer. Just brushing it a little bit from the rust. Got it in the spring ring. Now the spring itself. The balls, I will try to clean them like that, because I cannot hold them and brush them. Now our sleeve, getting it around with a brush. Okay, now I will put some paper here. You can see that we have removed the rust here, and now I can assemble it back. I will put some grease here in the holes to hold the balls. Inserting the balls into the hole. Now, of course, goes the sleeve, the spring, the washer, and the spring ring. Okay. Double checking if the spring ring is in place. And the sleeve now is moving easily. I will try to insert a bit. Yep. Now it moves good. Okay, that's good. So that was a quick fix by cleaning the holder of the bit for the impact drill. Thank you for watching.